Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how can we change the style of numbering in the order list in HTML. You see here I have created an order list by using the OL tag, and then the items in the order are placed inside the LI tag, so we have 4 items. And if I build the document this way, then by default the items are listed with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I want to change this style of listing, then I would add the type attribute and writing type inside the OL tag, and then I put the style, so I put a capital I. So with this style the number would be listed with this style. Let me save it and then build the document, and then open the document with a browser. You see here it is listed with capital 1, 2, 3, and this is for this style. Similarly, if I change the capital to lowercase, at here in the type attribute I change the capital I to lower I, and then save the document and then open it with an internet browser. This time the lowercase numbering is used. So this way you can use the capital or lowercase Roman numbering in HTML document for order list. And then don't forget to give me a like on the video, and thanks for watching Safi Mixed.